Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Mango Live. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, go ahead and open Mango Live on your mobile device. To create an account on Mango Live, you can directly connect your Facebook, use your Google account or your phone number. In this video, I will be showing you how to sign up using your Google account. So go ahead and tap on Google. You can now go ahead and begin to fill in your profile. First, tap on the camera icon. You can either capture a photo to set as your profile picture or choose one from your album. Tap on Album. Select the photo of your choice. Once you have selected the photo, tap on Complete It at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on the tick mark at the top right of your screen. Select your gender by tapping on it once. Now go ahead and set your date of birth. Lastly, select the country that you're from. Once you have filled in your profile, tap on Next at the bottom of your screen. You can now either follow the recommended host on Mango Live or simply tap on Skip at the top right of your screen. And that's it. Now you have successfully created an account on Mango Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.